Hello and welcome. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on ProtonMail. So it's 100% free of cost. You don't need to spend any single money for creating account here. So first of all, go to my video descriptions and then this link I will attach my video description. When you click, you are redirect to this website. So you need to click on create free account. Then here the lots of plan. You can choose anyone, but I choose get Proton on for free. Continue with Proton. Again, click on this icon. This is Swiss base. Then choose your username. So I choose my name here. Then here is the two type of email: proton.me and protonmail.com. So this is a very professional. So I select this one .com. Then choose your password. So I select a password here. So just click on create an account. So this username already used, so I add an object here, US. Wow, this is available. So just save this password for next time. If you forget this will work for you, then click on next button. When you completed this captcha, you are redirected to another page. Then choose your display name. So I want to type this name. So here is the type your phone number, email address. Wow, this is a professional email address. If you send this email address from a single person, they are absolutely mind. This is a professional. So I skip this for the next time. You can set up for, I recommend you for set up this one. Okay, once you have done this, then click on next button. Again, click your choose your theme here. So I choose carbon. This is very nice. Just click on next button, skip. Wow, this account ready for use. If you want to more video to type up, please comment below. If you have found this video helpful for you, make sure you have subscribed and like this video. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.